Hey there! Look up at the night sky. It seems so orderly, so predictable. But hidden among those familiar stars are worlds so bizarre they make science fiction look tame. We're about to tour the 10 strangest planets ever discovered. Places where it rains glass, ice burns, and diamonds are as common as sand. These planets shatter our understanding of what a world can be, forcing astronomers to rethink the rules of the universe. Buckle up for an interstellar road trip to the weirdest destinations in the galaxy. Stay until the end. Our final stop features a world with a feature so colossal, it makes Saturn's rings look tiny. Our first stop, HD 189733b, prepare to witness a world unlike anything you've ever imagined. From a distance, it appears as a serene, beautiful blue planet, a jewel in the vast cosmic ocean. But don't let its captivating appearance fool you. This is a planet that's beautiful from afar but deadly up close. Its deep blue colour, so reminiscent of Earth's oceans, isn't from water at all. It's from a scorching atmosphere laced with silicate particles, the very building blocks of glass. Imagine an atmosphere filled with tiny, shimmering fragments of what we know as glass. Here, instead of water, it rains molten glass, a terrifying spectacle of liquid fire and shimmering shards. And if that wasn't enough, winds howl at over 8,700 kilometers per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. A constant, deafening roar ripping across the planet's surface. These winds don't just blow, they whip glass particles sideways, turning them into deadly projectiles, creating a perpetual, planet-wide storm of razor-sharp shards, an atmospheric sandblasting on an unimaginable scale. The planet is tidally locked, with one side always facing its star, constantly bombarded by radiation and roasting at over 1,000 degrees Celsius, a temperature hot enough to melt many metals. The extreme temperature difference between the day and night sides drives those supersonic winds, creating a global weather system of unimaginable ferocity. This intense heat is so powerful that it's vaporizing rock on the day side, and as the vapor cools on the night side, it condenses back into silicate, falling as glass rain. It's a world being relentlessly sandblasted by its own atmosphere, a truly hostile environment, a beautiful lie hiding a hellish reality, a stark reminder that appearances can be deceiving, even on a cosmic scale. HD 189733b is classified as a hot Jupiter, a gas giant that orbits incredibly close to its star, completing a full orbit in just over 2 Earth days. So what's the weather forecast for HD 189733b? Cloudy, with a 100% chance of being shredded by glass. Pack accordingly, or better yet, don't pack at all. It's a stunning reminder that in space, beauty can be profoundly deceptive, and that even the most alluring sights can conceal unimaginable dangers. This is definitely a planet to study from a safe distance, not to visit in person. Let's leave the exploration to the telescopes. Let's move on to our next destination before we get metaphorically cut to pieces by the sheer awfulness of this place. Next stop, a planet being eaten alive. Meet WASP 12b, a distant world far beyond our solar system. It's a planet caught in its final moments, a cosmic tragedy unfolding before our very eyes. This doomed world is being devoured by its own sun, a victim of stellar cannibalism. This hot Jupiter, blazing with intense heat, orbits incredibly close to its star, locked in a deadly embrace. So close, in fact, that its year, the time it takes to circle its star, lasts just over 1 Earth day, a complete orbit in a single day. The star's immense gravity is relentlessly tearing the planet apart, a cosmic tug-of-war with fatal consequences. This gravitational force is stretching it into an egg shape, a grotesque distortion of its once spherical form. The star is also siphoning off its atmosphere, stealing away the very air that surrounds it. WASP 12b is losing mass at an astonishing rate of 6 billion metric tons per second, a truly staggering amount. To put that into perspective, that's about the mass of Mount Everest being ripped away every 3 seconds. Adding to its bizarre nature, it's also one of the darkest planets ever found, a shadowy world in the vast expanse of space. It's absorbing over 94% of the light that hits it, making it appear almost completely black. The stripped material, torn from the planet's surface, forms a massive disk swirling around the star, a ring of planetary debris. It's a cosmic crime scene, the aftermath of a planetary tragedy written across the stars. We're witnessing a planet's destruction in real time, an unprecedented opportunity for astronomical observation. This is a rare glimpse into the violent end of a world, a front-row seat to a cosmic demolition. It's a gothic horror story playing out on a cosmic scale, a tale of destruction and despair. And this drama is unfolding 1,400 light-years away, a distant spectacle of stellar violence. By carefully studying this destructive process, analyzing the light and energy emitted, astronomers can learn valuable insights about the final, violent stages of planetary life and the ultimate fate of worlds. WASP-12b is a grim but fascinating window, a unique laboratory for understanding planetary demise. It offers a stark reminder of the destructive power of stars and the forces that shape the cosmos. Now, leaving this scene of cosmic destruction behind, let's visit a planet that's incredibly, almost unbelievably survived since the dawn of time. Venturing into the depths of cosmic time, we encounter PSR B 1620-2026 BE, affectionately nicknamed Methuselah. This remarkable celestial body holds the distinction of being the oldest planet we currently know, boasting an age of approximately 12.7 billion years. It's a truly ancient world. This planet formed incredibly early in the universe's history, emerging just 1 billion years after the Big Bang, a period when the cosmos was still in its infancy. That's long, long before our own sun ignited or Earth even began to coalesce from the swirling dust and gas of the early solar system. Adding to its mystique, Methuselah orbits a rather unusual pair of dead stars, remnants of stellar evolution. Specifically, it circles a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, and a white dwarf, the dense core of a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. And to make things even more interesting, this whole system resides within a dense globular cluster, a tightly packed sphere of ancient stars. The story goes that it likely started its existence around a normal main sequence star, much like our own sun. But over billions of years it was captured in a cosmic game of musical chairs, a gravitational dance that led it to its current companions. Methuselah is truly a survivor, a testament to the resilience of planetary bodies in the face of extreme cosmic events. It has been passed from one star system to another, a cosmic nomad wandering through the galaxy. This ancient world has witnessed the birth and death of countless stars, and even the evolution of entire galaxies over vast stretches of time. Given its age and environment, it's probably a cold, dark gas giant, a frigid world far removed from the warmth of a typical star. It's likely illuminated only by the faint glow of its stellar companions, a dim and eerie light in the vast darkness of space. Its very existence challenges our current theories and understanding of how planets could have formed and survived in the harsh conditions of the early universe. Methuselah stands as a lonely, ancient sentinel, a silent observer of cosmic history. It's a repository of secrets from the universe's infancy, a time when the cosmos was vastly different from what we see today. Methuselah serves as a powerful reminder that some worlds, against all odds, can endure and persist through even the most extreme cosmic chaos and destruction. Now, leaving behind this ancient marvel, let's journey onward to visit a planet where, incredibly, ice burns. Welcome to Gliese 436b, where ice is on fire. This Neptune-sized planet orbits close to its star, with surface temperatures around 439 degrees Celsius. Despite the heat, its gravity crushes water into a solid form called ice-X, hot, solid ice that can't evaporate. Imagine a world where you're simultaneously crushed, boiled, and frozen. The planet's thick atmosphere is full of water vapor, shrouding a surface of burning black ice. It's a paradox that defies our Earth-based intuition. Gliese 436b shows that the states of matter depend entirely on local conditions. It's a world designed by physics gone wild. Let's move on to a planet made of diamond. Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth that may be made largely of diamond. In this carbon-rich system, intense heat and pressure squeeze carbon into pure, crystallized diamond. Imagine a world with a graphite crust and a mantle of solid diamond stretching for thousands of kilometers. No plate tectonics, no water, just a rigid, glittering landscape. Volcanoes here might erupt with liquid diamond or carbides. It's a planet of unimaginable wealth, but likely lifeless and harsh. 55 Cancri A is a cosmic jewel, beautiful but unforgiving. Now let's visit a real-life Tatooine. Kepler 16b is the first confirmed planet to orbit two suns, a real-life Tatooine. This Saturn-sized gas giant orbits a pair of stars, creating double sunsets and two shadows. The Kepler telescope detected it by noticing complex dips in the star's brightness. Many thought such a planet couldn't exist. The gravitational chaos should have flung it away. But Kepler 16b is in a stable orbit, proving planets can thrive in binary systems. If you could float in its atmosphere, you'd see two suns rise and set in mesmerizing patterns. It's a world that turns science fiction into reality. The universe is more creative than we ever imagined. Next, a planet that's all ocean. GJ 1214b is a true water world, a planet that's essentially a giant ocean. Its density suggests it's made mostly of water, with a small rocky core and a vast planet-spanning ocean. The ocean could be thousands of kilometers deep, with high-pressure ice at the bottom. Above, a thick, steamy atmosphere rich in water vapor creates a perpetual sauna. Temperatures reach 230 degrees Celsius. No place for a swim. Could life exist here? Maybe, but it would be utterly alien. GJ 1214b hints that water worlds may be common in the galaxy. Now let's visit the darkest planet ever found. Tres 2b is the darkest planet we know, blacker than coal, absorbing over 99% of starlight. It's a hot Jupiter, tidally locked and roasting at nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius. No reflective clouds form instead, its atmosphere is filled with light-absorbing chemicals. The planet acts as a giant heat sink, trapping almost all energy from its star. Strangely, it glows faintly red from its own heat, a ghostly, malevolent sphere. Tres 2b challenges our models of planetary reflectivity. It's a cosmic outlier, a perfect light trap. Now let's meet the loneliest planet. HD 106906b is the ultimate outcast. So far from its two parent stars, it breaks all the rules. It orbits at 730 times the Earth-Sun distance, over 68 billion miles away. 1 year here lasts 15,000 Earth years. It's 11 times the mass of Jupiter, yet formed where there shouldn't have been enough material. Maybe it was flung out by a cosmic slingshot or formed like a failed star. HD 106906b is a planetary exile, barely tethered to its suns. It challenges our ideas of what a planet is and where it can live. Now, for our grand finale, the Lord of the Rings. J1407b boasts the largest ring system ever discovered, 200 times bigger than Saturn's. Its more than 30 rings stretch 120 million kilometers, nearly the distance from Earth to the Sun. If these rings replaced Saturn's, they'd dominate our night sky. Gaps in the rings suggest moons are forming within them, a snapshot of a new satellite system being born. We detected this system when its rings eclipsed its star for 56 days. J1407b is either a giant planet or a small brown dwarf, but its rings are the real spectacle. This system is young. The rings won't last forever. We're lucky to witness this cosmic wonder at its peak. J1407b is the true Lord of the Rings, a super Saturn on a scale that defies belief. There you have it, 10 worlds stranger than fiction. From glass rain to burning ice diamond planets to supersized rings, the universe is wilder than we ever imagined. These planets challenge our models and expand our sense of what's possible. They remind us how rare and precious our own world is. The cosmos is vast, chaotic, and full of wonders. Which planet blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more journeys into the universe's strangest corners. Thanks for watching.